Okay, so I have been thinking for quite some time about a way I could decorate a door header in my craft room and then hang it up above my door without having to do the work on a ladder. And so I'm going to try this. This is 1.5-inch insulation foam that you can get at your local hardware store. I got this at Lowe's. And it comes in sheets of 4 feet by 8 feet. So you need a big car, truck, or trailer to transport it. And I've cut them into 6-inch strips by 8 feet long in 2 of these. What I'm going to next do is I'm going to hot glue them together to create a thick base to apply my decorations to. Okay, as you can see, I have glued the 2 pieces together. I did use hot glue. I think in the future I'll probably use a construction adhesive of some sort, something that will be heat resistant because I do live in Texas. Now, if you get these 2 pieces were relatively straight. If you get some insulation that is bowed, when you glue them, you can use a clamp like this on either end and maybe one in the middle to keep them pressed together while the adhesive dries. So now that we've got the 2 pieces glued together, we're going to start decorating. Okay, now I want to just check in with you and show you what I've been doing. I am getting close to the center of the door topper. I've been kind of doing it from each side inward to try to keep it balanced. I have made these. I had some old Mexican flowers and I made some new ones. I'm not going to show you how to do that, but I'm going to post the link to the blog post that I used to learn how to do it. They're very simple, a little time consuming for something of this magnitude, but it's not hard. And I tied it with a pipe cleaner, and then I put the pipe cleaner into my floral stick pick machine and put a pick on it. It's a steel pick, and I just poke those into the styrofoam. I will post a link on how to use a steel pick machine. A lot of people have made better videos than I could ever do. I also cut 12-inch lengths of ribbon, various different colors, because Cinco de Mayo is very colorful. Just wrapped it in the center with the pipe cleaner and also put a steel pick on that, and I'm just sticking those into the styrofoam. I've also made a whimsical bow with some ribbons. I will put the link from Pro Bow the Hand website on how to do that. She has a tutorial, but that's just where I'm at the moment. So this is an 8-foot long topper. I'm getting close to the middle, and then I'll show you the finished product. Okay, now that I have got my door hanger completed, I flipped it on its side. This is the top of the door hanger. I've marked the center. What I'm going to do, I may adjust this as I get used to this form of door decorating. I've cut a piece of 14-inch ribbon and fold it in half, put a floral pick through it, and I'm going to dab hot glue on the center point and super glue right there, and I'm going to shove it in. Okay, and the reason for the hot glue is just so it'll stick immediately, and super glue so it'll stick really, really well once it dries. And this is what I'm going to use to tie the door hanger up to my cup hooks, which are in the brick. So this is what it looks like, and I tried to use the same ribbon that I used in the decor, but I'll probably tie it off in a knot and tuck it under. So that's the hanging mechanism. We'll see if it works. Okay, here's a close-up of how I hung the garland. I have some cup holders in the brick, and I just tied the ribbon that I showed you earlier right around those in 3 different places, in the center and on the 2 ends. And it secured it and is holding it nicely. Okay, so here's the finished door. I'm really happy with it. This is the first time I have put into use the idea I came up with about how to make this garland in my craft room and literally just go outside and hang it up so that I don't have to stand on a ladder and work. And I'll be doing some tweaking to it, but for a first go, I'm pleased with it. It did what I was hoping in my head that it would do. So I'll just zoom in a little bit. As you can see, all the flowers intermingled with the ribbon, a few whimsical bows, and some just streamers of ribbon. And then we have the door hanger, which I had a lot of fun making. And then the planter stakes are from, sorry, my puppy just hit the tripod. And the planter stakes are from Round Top Collection. And if you go to the link below, then you can get a one-time use coupon for 20% off your entire online order using my code, which you can see down below. So I'm excited to get back to my Doorscapes, which I kind of have been known for and which honestly I enjoy the most. So I'll be looking to my channel for more Doorscapes. Thanks for watching.